Hey everybody, what's up? Well, our focus today is odd things. So I'm gonna start out with this odd thing. I wonder where this door leads. Let's go find out. Says it's the exit. It's locked. I guess we don't get to find out where it goes. Now, if a door to nowhere doesn't strike you as odd, maybe this will. Right next to a rest area near Brigham City are some odd mounds of dirt, just out in the fields next to the freeway. And I don't mean just a few, there are at least 100. They are mostly round and they vary in size. Some only 10 feet across, with plenty that are larger. I haven't found any solid evidence to verify what these really are, but the person that told me about these circles, they say these are footprints of a Native American village. Each circle was a wickiup, a dome-shaped dwelling created by bending small trees or branches and tying them together at the top. Then covering them with woven mats, bundles of grass, bark, or brush to create a dome-shaped structure. So I totally believe this is probably true, but what do you think? What else could they be? Besides odd. If that wasn't odd enough for you, I got another little spot here in Salt Lake that should tip the charts on odd. We're going to be heading to the Masonic Temple / the Freemason Temple, and they're having an Oddities Show here. We're going to go look at those two things. It should be very interesting. And you can't forget the cool old buildings in Salt Lake either. If you watch this channel regularly, I just found some of these out in the desert. Looks like they're for a fence. A gate for a fence. Masonic temples are where Freemasons hold secret meetings and perform strange ceremonial rituals for their fraternity. They also host events for community involvement, and that's what brings us here today. The secret society dates back to 1717, when the first Grand Lodge opened in England. This temple is not a church. Rituals, secret handshakes, and symbols are only truly known by members. So I won't speculate their true function. We're here to see something else. Okay, hopefully we can get inside this building today, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. But it would be cool. Wow. Oh, you tried it?
Yeah, the door was turning.
All right, well, these doors are not open. This door is kind of small. There's some serious ramps right here. I don't think they're to code. Like somebody on a wheelchair would probably go flying down this hill and smash into the building. Oh baby, it's pretty steep.
Yeah, it's very steep.
Look in the window here, and the It's like a ramp case. There's a ramp going down and a ramp going up. And they look just as steep as this ramp.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy. Oh, cool, we do get to go in. Okay, we do get to go in, but they're not finished setting up yet. We got here a little early, like normal. At least it's not closed.
Kind of making a little trail down.
That's good.
We're back to the fire truck. Is there a pizza oven?
Just kind of making a little trail down. I'll get in trouble for that.
Mermaid. All right, hopefully we gave them enough time to get set up. We are at the Oddities Show in Salt Lake City. Vendors here get to show off and sell their creations. From your normal crystals and gems to vampire protection kits. Now we're going to move quick, so feel free to pause the video and check out some of these odd things from this odd location. There's a little bit of everything here. I don't have time to show everything, so I'm just going to show what I think is the best. Or else this video would probably be about 2 hours long. Most of the items here are handcrafted by the vendors, so things here are basically one of a kind. So sit back, enjoy the odd side of life, and check out some of these crazy creations. This is my favorite time of year, so I get kind of excited searching out some odd things in the Halloween season.
Happy Halloween!
Half man, half squid. Look over there. This vendor makes paintings with their own blood, and they look pretty good. I'm so buff.
Let me guess what kind of spider.
That's a jumping spider.
Yeah. I see them all the time.
They're cute.
I'm making one of the monsters.
That was an odd little adventure for today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Thanks for watching.